I do that.
I can't. Oh, I'm so terrified.
Okay.
You can't even see Brittany.
Oh gosh.
Okay. So.
Guys, hang on. It's not coming out. Let me fix.
Oh God. Whoops. There you
Wow.
go. Oh, that's a lot, Brittany.
Pat
Pat it down. Just pat it down. I'm patting. I'm patting. Still patting. Okay. I'm terrified.
Ready?
Get your waters out the way. We're gonna die. Okay, on three. Ready? Ready? One.
Nope.
Brittany, you're not in the camera.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Oh.
Why do we do this?
That was a total fail. Oh god.
Oh my God.
I'm crying. I'm crying. That was not fun.
That was not right.
It was
Oh
alright at first. It was alright at first, and then it was like.
Michaela did it, so I started laughing. I'm like, oh my God. It hurts.
Oh, it hurts so bad.
I love how we're trying to wash out cinnamon that isn't even in our mouth now. That hurt like a bitch.
Oh. Okay, don't do that again.
We did that last time too.
Crying.
I can use spoons so I can hustle them back in the house. Mine's over there. They're all cinnamony.
Oh well.
Oh, dead.